Welcome to SensAI. SensAI is an innovative new sales training tool designed to help you handle sales objections effectively and to build product expertise. I'm now going to walk you through the SensAI platform. In the top right corner, you'll see there's a user login and an admin login. We'll start with the user. A user is a sales rep. And this is what a sales rep will see, the user interface. You can use SensAI in one of three ways: sales objections, and product questions. I'll now run through all three. With sales objections, you can enter your own sales objection that you've encountered or choose from the examples. I'm going to show you from one of the examples. A common example is I'm not authorized to sign off on this purchase. I'm sure many of you have encountered this particular objection during a sales process. SensAI addresses this by saying, "No problem at all. I'd be happy to discuss the benefits of our product with whoever is authorized. Can you help me connect with the right person?" You are then going to rate how helpful you found this particular advice. 5 stars is extremely helpful. 1 is this didn't really address the objection. We'll give it 4. Then there's product objections. The difference being here is that this is during the course of selling a product, you've received an objection that's specific to that product. If you look here, you can see 2 example products. Both are medical devices. We have kerosene rongers and spinal rongers. We'll select the spinal rongers and we'll choose from one of the examples and we'll say, "I'm unclear on the product's clinical purpose," which is a common objection when trying to sell a medical device. SensAI addresses this by saying that these particular rongers and punches are surgical instruments used for grasping and excising tissue to generate a disc material or bone during neurological and spinal surgical procedures. It talks about its unique design, how it reduces friction, and that the tools are essential for neurosurgeons and orthopedic surgeons when performing spinal surgery. So not only is it providing you with product information, it's also providing you with a way of framing that in a sale from a sales point of view. We'll say that was helpful. And then product questions. This is about building product expertise. Let's say the rotating kerosene rongers. Let's say we want to know a little more about the product specifications. It's going to tell us more about the specs, that they're reusable surgical instruments constructed from high-grade surgical use steel. And this can get really into the details. So now we have this information that we're armed with entering into a sales conversation when we're selling this particular product. And then we have history in the top left corner. This is where you'll come as a sales rep to review how you've been using the SensAI platform. As you can see, we have objections, product objections, and product questions. So this was our objection we entered about not authorized to sign off, and this was the advice we received, and this is how useful we found the advice. The same is true of product objections and product questions. This history can be downloaded to Excel. So that's looking at the platform from the perspective of a sales rep.